Some people add chia seeds to their smoothies for weight loss, better digestion, and heart health. While others say flax seeds are even better, claiming they help more with weight management, cholesterol, and blood sugar control. So now the question is, which one is actually better, chia or flax? Are chia seeds really the best for fullness and fiber? Or do flax seeds offer more heart and metabolic benefits? In this video, we will compare chia seeds and flax seeds using medical and nutrition research only. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand which may better support heart health, chia or flax seeds. Which is more helpful for cholesterol balance? Which supports healthy blood sugar levels? Which is commonly preferred for weight loss? Stay with us till the end. What are chia seeds and flax seeds? Benefits and basic overview. Chia seeds come from the Salvia hispanica plant, originally used by Aztecs and Mayans. Absorb water and form a gel, common in puddings, smoothies, and oatmeal. Who should be careful with chia seeds? A study published by the National Kidney Foundation, USA, notes that chia seeds are high in oxalates, which can increase the risk of kidney stones in some people. If you have a history of kidney stones, it's best to eat chia with high calcium foods and talk to your doctor or dietitian before adding them to your diet. Flax seeds come from the Linum usitatissimum plant, used for thousands of years in Middle Eastern diets, slightly larger and harder, usually eaten ground, not whole. Chia seeds versus flax seeds nutrition comparison. Chia seeds per 28 grams. About 138 calories, around 10 grams of dietary fiber, approximately 4.9 grams of omega-3 fatty acids, ALA, about 4 to 5 grams of protein, higher calcium content. Flax seeds per 28 grams. About 150 calories, around 8 grams of dietary fiber, approximately 6 grams of omega-3 fatty acids, ALA, about 5 grams of protein. Chia versus flax seeds, which is good for heart health and cholesterol. Now let's talk about heart health, one of the main reasons people use these seeds. Both seeds provide dietary fiber. According to Harvard Health Publishing, dietary fiber can help reduce bad LDL cholesterol and triglycerides while supporting higher levels of good HDL cholesterol that protect the heart. Both chia and flax are rich in ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid. ALA is important because our body cannot make it. We must get it from food. Research suggests omega-3s help support healthy cholesterol levels, healthy blood vessels, overall cardiovascular function. According to Harvard Health Publishing, both chia seeds and flax seeds are plant-based sources of the omega-3 fatty acid alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which the body cannot produce on its own and must be obtained through diet. Flax seeds contain slightly more ALA, which may give them a small advantage for heart-focused nutrition. Not dramatically better, just slightly higher. Another studies show that both seeds help support healthy cholesterol levels when eaten regularly. Chia seeds versus flax seeds. Which is better for blood sugar and digestion? This is where chia seeds shine. Chia seeds contain more total fiber, and fiber slows digestion, slows sugar absorption, helps prevent blood sugar spikes, keeps you full longer. Flax contains soluble fiber, which forms a soft gel in the gut, supports digestion, it helps steady glucose response. So again, both support digestive health. Chia seeds versus flax seeds. Which is better for weight loss? Most people don't add chia or flax seeds for vitamins. They add them for one reason: weight loss. But here's the important question. Do these seeds actually burn fat? Chia seeds are extremely high in fiber. Just 1 ounce gives you around 10 grams of fiber, which is nearly 1/3 of your daily requirement. And when chia seeds mix with water, they form a gel-like texture in your stomach. This may slow digestion, increase fullness, reduce appetite, help you feel satisfied for longer. So naturally, you may eat fewer calories later. How flax seeds help with weight control. They contain soluble fiber, healthy fats, plant protein. This combination slows stomach emptying and may improve satiety, meaning you feel full longer after meals. Neither chia nor flax will cause weight loss on their own, but both can help by reducing hunger, supporting digestion, helping you naturally eat less. And that's how sustainable weight loss actually works. If you want to feel full for longer and control your hunger, chia seeds may help more. If you want a good balance of healthy fats and fiber, flax seeds are a great choice. Many nutrition experts simply use both together. If this comparison helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your parents and loved ones so they can also improve their nutrition, seniors' health, and support healthy aging.